Hello guys, welcome to another video, Cat in Short. In this video guys, we are talking about the line and how to draw a line and different types of the line. For drawing a line, just click on the line here and specify it is first point and specify it is second point where we want to draw our line. For example, here this is the first point, and then press ESC. For drawing a horizontal and vertical line, we need to on this ortho mode. For that, we should on this one, then select the line and see you can line now horizontal and as well as vertical line. See, it's very easy. Is again choose line and again enter. We can only draw vertical and horizontal line. And how to draw a line with the precision, with the dimension, with the specification length. For that, specify the first point, go in horizontal or as well as in vertical. It is same in horizontal, just type for me 40, then press enter. This is a line with dimensions. It is 40. It is must be maybe centimeter, millimeters. We didn't specify yet the dimensions. And now how to draw a line with the angle. That's very easy. First choose the line, select the line. Now select the first point, or we can give this to this line a dimensions of, for example, 10, and then press tab. It's very easy. Tab, you can give the tab, and here you can see you can type the angle. The angle, I'm typing 35, then press enter. See, you can see this line is in the angle of 35 for horizontal. Then this was for today's session. Hope you guys like it. See you in the next video. If you're new, subscribe to the Cat in Short. Thank you.